Welcome to the Arazy Group's regulatory update. In today's update, we are going to give you a regulatory wrap-up in Australia that will include artificial intelligence and manufacturer evidence for IVD. Our focus today is on a recent update to the regulation of software-based medical devices published on June 2, 2023. This update brings the guidelines that govern the use of artificial intelligence text-based products in healthcare to the forefront. It is crucial to acknowledge that when these products serve a medical purpose and are supplied to Australians, they fall under the purview of medical device regulations for software and require approval by the TGA. Developers must provide both clinical and technical evidence to demonstrate the product's capability to deliver desired outcomes while maintaining patient safety. Besides, they will need to understand and demonstrate the sources and quality of text inputs used to train and test the model. If you want to manage your product registration in Australia, consider Regislate, our global registration management software for fast and effective market access processes. On June 20, 2023, a new guideline of transition to new manufacturer evidence for IVD was published. The sponsors will need new manufacturer evidence for their IVD medical devices because, firstly, the new European Union IVD Regulation 2017-746 EU IVDR replaces the IVD Directive 98/79/EC IVDD. Secondly, the end of the transition period for the TGA to accept ISO 13485 certificates as manufacturer evidence, unless supported by the manufacturer's EU Declaration of Conformity made under the IVDD, is before the 26th of May 2022. This guidance covers a range of scenarios and examples to help identify the correct pathways and the sponsor actions required. The same guideline has provided a transition timeline for any manufacturer evidence types affected by the ISO 13485 phased out. Thus, the ISO 13485 certificate is no longer accepted since May 26, 2023. While the EU IVDD certificate for Class 4 IVD is accepted until May 26, 2025, for Class 3 IVD until May 26, 2026, and for Class 2 IVD until May 26, 2027, the ISO 13485 certificate with EU Declaration of Conformity, made before May 26, 2022, will continue to be accepted until May 26, 2026 for Class 3 IVD and May 26, 2027 for Class 2 IVD. However, the TGA Conformity Assessment Certificate, EU IVDR Certificate, MDSAP Certificate, for Class 2 and 3 IVDs, US FDA PMA, Class 2 and E3 IVD, or Singapore HSA approval, Class B and C IVD, will continue to be accepted as manufacturer evidence. In addition, the MDSAP certificate with product review evidence will continue to be accepted. This includes Health Canada Medical Device License, Class 2 and A3 IVD, US FDA PMA or 510K, Class 2 or 3 IVD, and Singapore HSA approval, Class B and C IVD. The guideline also reminds us that Class 1 IVD medical devices do not require manufacturer evidence. At any time, the TGA may request documents to demonstrate a Class 1 IVD complies with the requirements. That's it for our update today. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us. Check the contact page on our website for an office near you. Follow Arazy Group on LinkedIn to view other countries' regulatory updates and the latest advancements in regulatory affairs technology. Stay safe and keep well.